In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps section available here. Then click on Choose Default Apps. Tap on one of those sections you wanna manage, like Browser app, and tap on an app you wanna apply. When you finished, just go back. All of your changes will be automatically applied. So when I do that, as you can see, my app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!